Hi, welcome to PUC first year students. I am Ashok Vishnu Kurane, the lecturer of economics. Let us study today the chapter number 3, that is organization of data. In the organization of data, today let us study the what do you mean inclusive method and exclusive method, and what the correction factor or adjustment in class intervals. Today let us study the organization of data. In organization of data, exclusive method and the inclusive method. First of all, you have to understand the meaning of what do you mean exclusive method and what are its examples, and what is inclusive method and what are its examples. Let us study the exclusive method and the inclusive methods. First of all, you have to understand the meaning of exclusive method. Exclusive method, under this method, the upper limit class is excluded and only the lower class limit is included in a class. Once again, what do you mean exclusive method? Under this method, upper class limit is excluded and only the lower class limit is included in a class. Included in a class. For example, it is 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. It is the exclusive method. Remember it. The question will be arise. What is exclusive method? Under this method, the upper class limit is excluded. Only the lower class limit is included in a class. For example, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. It is called as the exclusive method. Exclusive method. If remember what is exclusive method, under this method, the upper class limit is excluded. Only the lower class limit is included in a class. For example, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. It is called as the exclusive method. And let us study what do you mean inclusive method. Inclusive method. Inclusive method. Under this method, both the upper limit class and the lower limit class are included in a class. Both the upper limit class and the lower class limits or lower class limit are included in a class. For example, 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. It is called as the inclusive method. Inclusive method. Once again, remember what do you mean inclusive method? Under this method, both the upper class limit and the lower class limit are included in a class. For example, 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Then there is the example. Inclusive method. Under this method, both upper class limits and the lower class limit are included in a class. Example 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. It is called as the inclusive method. And now we shall study the correction factor or adjustment in class intervals. Correction factor or adjustment in class intervals. What do you mean correction factors? The correction factor CF means correction factor is the average of difference between the lower class limit and the upper class limit of the proceeding class. Once again, the correction factor is the average of difference between lower class limit and the upper class limit of the proceedings of class. This formula is CF is equal to, CF means correction factor is equal to lower limit class minus upper limit of the proceeding class. CF is equal to lower limit class minus upper limit of the proceeding class divided by 2. To get exclusive class intervals from inclusive class intervals, add CF means it is add correction factors to all upper limits and subtract CF correction factor from all the lower limits. CF to all the interval, add CF to all the upper limits and subtract the CF from all the lower limits. So, for example, there is CI, class intervals. There is, example is there, class intervals. The class intervals are 10 to 90, 10 to 90, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. The CF is equal to, according to this formula, the CF is equal to 20 minus 90, 20 minus 90 divided by 2. 20 minus 90 is equal to 1. 20 minus 19 is equal to 1, 2 is to 2, and divided by 2. 2 one day, 2 is 1 day, which is 5, 2 5 is equal to 5. 2 1 2 5 is equal to 0.5. After the adjustment in class intervals, it is 10 minus 0.5 is equal to 9.5. 9.5 minus 19.5 minus 9.5 minus 19.5. 19.5 minus 29.5. 29.5 minus 39.5. 39.5 minus 49.5. This is the utter adjustment in class intervals. So you have to keep remember, whatever they ask the question, you have to answer. They will ask the question for you only the what do you mean exclusive method and what do you mean inclusive method. Give the examples. This is too much. So you have to study well and keep remember till examinations. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. All of you be alert. The examination is coming soon. So you have to study the chapter wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So once again I remember you have to study hard study. Thank you.